shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello Team Bella and welcome to the channel. It's me, Miranda, here with another plan with me before and after the pen. So if you want to see what I have going on, just keep watching. So definitely today we are planning for February 15th through the 21st. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to do the 3 things, which is like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, so the sticker books that I'm using this week, one is from the new Pressed Florals Sticker Book from the latest Pressed Floral Be Happy box. And I am actually using some dolls from Wrong has sticker packs as well. This is from the Black Girl Magic sticker pack, and I'll share it with you. You'll see that 2 stickers are missing, so it's this one and this one, which we're going to actually use in the spread, but I'll flip through it real quick. So you get 2 pages of each doll. Y'all, they are so cute. All shapes, all sizes. Look at this, braids. We got an afro puff. We got, you know, some weave going on there. Maybe that's her, you know, her real hair. That could be possible. We have a curly hair, we have a fro, we have some wet and wavy. And so I'm just really loving the stickers and the quality and how they feel. I can't describe it. They're matte, yet they're it feels like premium sticker paper. So there's 2 of each. And then of course this girl is familiar, but there's some new ones that I have not seen, you know, so really excited to get my hands on these stickers. I actually picked up 2 different packs. There were 2 available and I picked up both. Okay, so I have already pulled my stickers. Here they are. Ignore that one. That was still left on the wax paper from last week. But this sticker, this Choose to Shine sticker right here, is our inspiration sticker. So we're going to put that down here. And in that area, I'm going to grab my white out, because this one sticker is clear that we're putting up here. All right. Hope everyone had a great week. I certainly did. This is week 2 of my new position. So I'll be going into the 3rd week. And what I really like is this is the first time in a very long time I work for a company where I get to take like federal and government holidays off. Okay, so here we are going to actually pick up this sticker. I'm gonna pick that up so we can put the gold beneath it. So I'm gonna pull it all the way up because it's, to me, it's a little crooked. And then this is kind of going off the page just a little bit, and we'll straighten that out as well. Okay. Let's see here. Oh God, that it's this crooked sticker that's crooked. I'm gonna grab some undo and take care of that. And of course, these are several, oops, what am I doing? Several stickers that are layered here. So I have the gold colorful boxes. So typically I'm using colorful boxes. That was the other sticker book that I used. And I think I'm certain that I just, I'm ripping this sticker here, which I needed to stay down. I just need this one to come up and this one as well so that I can stick it. Woo! No worries. We will do sticker surgery on this sticker. We will line it up about right here. Okay. All right. So, and good thing this is a paper sticker, so we can definitely lay it back down. It's fine. Okay. All right, so let's get this going now that we have our sidebar laid. So what we're going to do is put this floral sticker on Wednesday. It's a colorful box with the florals on the bottom, and then we layer that Pressed flower right on the corner of that box. And then I'm going to struggle with my Uniball Signal white gel pen, but eventually I get it so I can lay that arched Embrace Your Pace gold foiled sticker there. And y'all, I love how this gave a little something different to my spread that I've not done in a while. Let me tell you, I did some major stickering on this spread. There's my wrong doll. She's so cute. She has her ripped jeans on, her pointy boots, and her little sweater. And I wanted to make sure that I had enough of the green colorful boxes on this left side of the page. So I'm just putting them in and putting pops, and then I put a little quote under the bottom in lavender, and it does have gold foil. And then we go on to that left side where I start with that box on Friday with all of the colors that I wanted to bring in, the purples, the greens, and then a pop of gold with that quote under the bottom that says it's okay not to do it all, because it is. In that bottom right hand corner, I also put that clear sticker down that says grow through what you want you go through. And then I added another floral accent. So here you're going to see me go back and forth trying to put that clear sticker down. We will get it, but I decided to put Miss Thang down there first. So I don't know if you see the detail in this outfit, but it looks like it's a sweater two-piece set, and it's got gold buttons up the side and on the shoulders of that outfit, and it's cute. All right, so here I'm just going through and I'm putting all the colorful boxes I can find that ties our theme together, because that is the most important part for this to be cohesive. I grabbed that clear sticker. I found a home for it. I just had to slice it up a little bit to make it work for the spread. So that's what I did. And of course, I'm bringing in some more colorful boxes. Now you'll notice that I have whited out some of the florals that were on the colorful boxes from Pressed Florals. That's because they had flowers on them, like that one, that did not match the rest of the spread. And where I could put a little floral down, I did. So here's me adding like just some final touches, like a little quote that says press on. And then I go to Monday and I add that tabbed colorful box there in lavender, and then I put the gold on it as well. And that's all the stickers. All right, so let's go ahead and get these plans down. So of course I'm using my gorgeous Villa Beautiful pen. And I did not pre-plan this week, but we're going to get it in. So the fact that I have limited plans, and because typically from week to week, I'm a creature of habit, a lot of my plans remain the same. But I do have a tax customer there on Monday evening at 6. I'm indicating that. Also, I go and put Monday as my day off. I will tell you that I'm using lots of icons and script stickers from Planning City. So shout out to Planning City. I'm adding the laundry day sticker there on Monday. On Wednesday, I notated that at 7:30 I have a religious meeting, and so I'll be attending there. Also, I put Facebook post, that is a sticker from Planning City, at 12 noon. That's when I typically post on Facebook. I grabbed the gold laptop with the little heart to signify that I'll be logging in for work at 8 a.m. on Tuesday. So I'm going to relax and enjoy my day off on Monday. I'm not going to do very much. I'm going to do laundry that I didn't get done this weekend. And then of course I'm going to clean. So on Wednesday, I put down a $1 Wednesday sticker. And shortly I'll come through and I'll get a shopping bag that says Planning City. There's my clean sticker for Monday. So this is looking pretty good. And I'm excited to really, use stickers and not really have to write a whole bunch. My writing isn't the best, but it's okay. I love to use my stickers. So I put drop off car here because I do have to drop my car off. So I'll put that there. Y'all, this pen that Chiquisha Sims designed for Villa Beautiful, is so cute. It's called Lovely, and it definitely is lovely, and it matches my spread. All right, so that sticker that I just put there on Tuesday says close your rings, so that is encouraging me to keep moving. On Thursday, I put down a knife, spoon, and fork sticker, and of course that is to indicate meal planning. And then at 6:30, I do have a tax appointment, so I added that there for Thursday. And on Tuesday, I also have a tax appointment at 6:30. So yeah, this is coming together rather nicely. So yes, if you want to check out Planning City, I'm going to link her shop below this video, and I also have my PR code that you can use, which is Miranda15 for 15% off your order. That sticker that I put on Wednesday just says post on social media, and those stickers in black that are scripted, those are handwritten plans from the Happy Planner. So I took 2 stickers and I put order grocery, and then I used a little grocery girl from Planning City to tie that together. I'm also going to add a planning time sticker on Saturday because yeah, that's my planning time. And surely I'll write grocery delivery on Saturday in that gold box, because of course, if I order my groceries, they have to be delivered. I also indicate my religious meeting for Sunday at 10 a.m. and a weekly budget sticker, as well as we do our budgets typically on Sundays. All right, there's me writing that grocery delivery sticker there. So that's pretty much the gist of my plans for next week. So I love how this spread came together. It's giving me all the purple and into a spring vibes. I hope it brings some warmth to my week, because we have rain forecasted the entire week next week. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you do the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, Bella.
Shining, shining like a diamond. I see